Most people think passive income means making money while sleeping. But the truth is, most people try passive income and make nothing. Not because passive income doesn't work, but because they start the wrong way. They chase complicated strategies, risky ideas, or unrealistic promises. The reality is much simpler. Passive income is about building assets that can generate income over time. And in 2026, beginners have more opportunities than ever before. In this video, I'll show you 5 passive income ideas beginners can start, even with very little money. And stay with me until the end, because the last idea might be the most powerful one for building income online. Let's start with the first one. The first idea is index fund investing. This is one of the simplest long-term wealth strategies in the world. Instead of trying to pick individual winning stocks, you invest in an index fund that tracks the entire market. For example, some funds follow large groups of companies. Over long periods of time, markets have historically grown steadily. This means your investment can grow through the power of compound interest. You invest consistently, stay patient, and allow time to do the heavy lifting. Many experienced investors recommend index funds for beginners because they are simple and diversified. The second idea is digital products. Digital products are one of the most powerful online income models today. The reason is simple. You create something once, and it can be sold again and again. Examples include digital planners, templates, guides, or educational resources. Because everything is digital, there is no inventory and no shipping. Platforms allow creators to sell products globally, 24 hours a day. Once the product is created, it can continue generating income with minimal maintenance. The third idea is YouTube content. YouTube is not only a social platform, it is also one of the largest search engines in the world. When you create helpful videos that answer questions people are already searching for, those videos can continue getting views for years. Creators can earn income through advertising revenue, affiliate partnerships, or their own products. The key is creating content that provides real value and solves real problems. Over time, a library of helpful videos can become a powerful long-term digital asset. The fourth idea is rental assets. When people hear rental income, they often think about real estate. But rental income can come from many different types of assets. Some people rent out tools, equipment, storage space, or parking spaces. The idea is simple. You purchase an asset once and allow others to use it temporarily for a fee. Over time, that asset can generate income while you continue focusing on other things. And the fifth idea is affiliate content. Affiliate marketing is one of the most scalable income models online. Instead of creating your own product, you recommend products or services that already exist. When someone purchases through your referral link, you receive a commission. This model is often combined with content platforms like blogs, websites, or YouTube channels. When helpful content ranks on search platforms, it can continue generating traffic and potential income for a long time. Now here's the important thing to understand. Passive income is not about getting rich overnight. It's about building systems and assets that can generate income gradually over time. The earlier you start building these systems, the more powerful the long-term results can become. So the real question is not which idea sounds interesting. The real question is, which one will you start building today?